Hi guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. Thank you for tuning into another video. This is the Learn It in 90 Seconds segment, so you are locked in to learn something in these 90 seconds. Okay, so guys, what are we going to learn today? If you want to know how to download fonts from the internet and use it on your PC in multiple programs, then this is the video to be watching. Let me show you how. This is how you download the font to your computer or your MacBook, your laptop, whatever you have, and then use it in programs such as Photoshop, Sony Vegas. You can use it anywhere you wish. Let me show you how to do it in 90 seconds. Start the timer now. First of all, I'm going to throw over my desktop so you can actually see what I'm doing, guys. And we're going to go into Google, type in the font. It's basically thefont.com, so you could have typed that into the browser if you really wanted to. Thefont.com. I'm going to download this font because we're going to use it in future tutorials for something else. It's called Price Down. I already got it typed there. So if you can guess what this font is, then comment below now. See if you can guess what it is. As you can see, I've already downloaded it just to check that we could do this in 90 seconds. It's possible. I knew you could do it in 90 seconds. Of course you can. Show in folder, guys. You got it right there. Double click it, open it in WinRAR. You should have this downloaded onto your PC already. And then we want to open Windows, press the Windows key, and then type in fonts. Get up that font folder and drag this one where it says price down bl.ttf. Drag that to the fonts folder and it's right there. And guess what? Once you close this, you go into anything like PicMonkey or whatever, it's ready to use. Let's actually do a quick test and I'll show you. For example, if I go to a new tab, type in PicMonkey.com, and I open up a brand new, oh, come on, we can do this. Create new, blank canvas, whatever size, it doesn't really matter. Come on, we can do this in the right amount of time. Go to text. There it is, price down black. Excellent. You can just type in this. Maybe that gives it away. Does that tell you what it is? Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Until next time.